Hi class, we're going to be working with some video editing now. So if you don't have this program already loaded on your computer, which most likely it should be very soon, but if you don't have it, these are the steps that you would take in order to install that on your computer. So go ahead and open up your browser. We're going to go ahead and type in VSDC Free Video Editor. If you already see that on the screen, you can just go ahead and arrow over and return, and here you go. Just a download bit of safety. If I'm going to be downloading, I'm not going to go to anywhere else other than the places I want to go to. So you can go ahead and take a look. This is videosoftdev.com. This is actually where we want to go. You see that it's also downloadable from cnet.com, and there's a Softonic down here. If you even go down even farther, there's a FileHippo. What I like to do is I like to go to the actual web page that this directly comes from. Doesn't guarantee that everything's perfect and safe and that there's no malware or viruses, but you're most likely not going to have that issue getting it straight from the proprietor. So we're going to go ahead and click over here. This is what you're going to see when you get there. We're going to go to downloads. There's several things that we can actually get a hold of here, but to begin with, we're going to go for the video editor. So go ahead and click on video editor. And then you have a download button right here. This is a really nice download page because you don't have a whole bunch of green download signs all over the place like there are on other websites. This is the actual button that you're going to click on right here. Watch out when you get to other websites and you start downloading things. Make sure you are clicking on the correct button to download exactly what you want, because they get really tricky. I've been fooled a time or two. So go ahead and go straight to here, download your video editor, and the download's going to start taking place down in the bottom corner. So as that downloads, in just a moment, this is a pretty fast connection, so it should be done about now. Now we're going to go ahead and click on here to All right, here we go. We're going to say yes on that. We want to install it. If your computer at school asks you for an administrative password and it needs an administrator to sign in for that and get that going, then please let me know and I will assist you in that. Yes, we're going to select English, and we're going to go ahead and click Next. On a lot of these with free software, you need to watch and be careful as you click through these. Don't just click on Next, 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 OK, 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 because they'll download toolbars and web browsers and virus scanners and all sorts of things that you don't need and probably don't want. And it could include some malware or different things. So you want to make sure that you carefully select what you want to agree to. We're going to accept this agreement. We're going to click Next. This is a very streamlined edition. It's only trying to download this free video editor, but others out there don't. So you watch out if you go to other sites to download. We're going to go ahead and accept its predetermined spot on our hard drive. We're going to go ahead and let it make that browser, that folder anyway. We're just going to go ahead and leave these standard to be checked. Project file types, we want that to be connected to this program as well, and we want to create a desktop icon, so that's all that that's doing. We're going to click on Install. Installs pretty quickly. This isn't a huge file, but it does some pretty good stuff for us, and thank goodness it's for free. So we'll wait just for a moment, and it might ask you for a restart on your computer. You're going to have to go ahead and do that if it asks for that. So we'll wait for it to think here just for a moment. Thank you for choosing. This is for free, but you can make contributions to it. We're not going to donate, especially not here at school. So there is a pro solution. If you really like this video editing, when you're at home, you guys can choose and if you're going to pay for that to get into some more editing stuff. But we're just going to go ahead and click out of here. Now it does say we want to restart the computer now, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, and then we're going to go ahead and restart this computer, and then we'll get going when things are fully loaded in, and I'll show you the video editor and how to use it. But that's all there is to installing this program. So if you need to, make sure that it is installed, and if it's not on your computer, then we need to make sure and get it installed there. So that's how to do this, and I hope you enjoy editing videos.